Hello, peeps. It is good to see you folks visiting my channel. Welcome. So you want to know how to replace the thermal paste on this Acer Nitro, the exact model listed right in front of you? Well, you came to the right video guide then. I hope you truly succeed in accomplishing your goal. And without further procrastinating, let's dive straight into it, shall we? Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. I will start prying open the back cover by grabbing below these two triangles. If you get stuck from one side, just go try to the other side. Before touching any of the components, I will first disconnect the battery. Just a bit of preparation necessary before I actually unscrew and remove the cooling body. Try not to remove these tapes all the way, just enough to get to the cables. Disconnecting the so-called flex cable first. Then also the fan connector. Unscrewing the Wi-Fi Bluetooth module. I will not disconnect the antennas because I'm having huge difficulties reconnecting them back again. As a matter of fact, I will put a piece of tape just to make sure they stay in place. Disconnecting the second fan. Only 2 screws on each of the fans. Have to apologize to you guys and gals. I'm missing this part of the video where I remove the cooling body. Okay, so these screws you need to loosen to remove the cooling body, but I'm missing the actual movie. Okay, so you will see later on when I put it back together. So just skip to the later part if you want to see. So the screws don't go out all the way, by the way. Wiping clean the leftover thermal paste from the GPU and the CPU. You can even use isopropyl alcohol with the wipe if necessary. Cleaning the heatsink itself also. Note that I will leave the thermal putty around intact. I will not touch it. I applied the new thermal paste already on the CPU and the GPU, like you see. Need to get the cables through on both sides here. I'm so glad I didn't disconnect the antennas from the Wi-Fi module here. Do you have a lot of trouble reconnecting them also, like I do? Please let me know in the comment section below. tightening both of the fans back again. Reconnecting the fan. Reconnecting the Wi-Fi Bluetooth module. Fixing the wires a little bit. Reconnecting the fan and the screen connector here. Of course, the battery needs reconnecting also. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.